Good afternoon, Clarkson Commercials here with something very, very different and unique. In all the years that I've been here, I can never ever quite remember having a transit van with this level of spec, and I will endeavour to tell you about it all as I go around. Although I may forget the odd point or two, and I'll try and reiterate all that in the wording of the advert to make sure we capture all the extras that it has. 2010 Transit 280, very rare limited model. The limited model is the top spec on the Transit range, and this has got the limited spec plus a whole lot more. Ex-Hilti, now you may be familiar with Hilti. They do a lot of joinery tools for the joinery industry, and this was a demo van for Hilti, going around various locations demonstrating the goods that Hilti have to offer. Right, I'll start with the storage system in the back. It's got the full professional Sortimo racking system. These are roller bearing drawers, with the three lower drawers being of a locking nature. We've got the fire extinguisher up there. We've got a 240 volt inverter, and we've got the full racking system and storage system in the back. Right, I've jumped round to the rear of the van. Here we've got the flip down vise, which just obviously flips back up. We've got this tray here that rolls in like so and clicks in. We have got some storage up here running the full length of the rear of the van. Open storage down here, again towards the front there, more open storage, and we've got the safety restraining straps here on either side. Coming down, we've got the rear bumper. Again, that is an option in the Transits, and we've got the 4 reverse parking sensors running along the full width. What I've done here is a folded device up, so it's in the folded position, and we've got the heavy duty power points here, and a very clever ingenious porthole in the floor, so your cables can come up through the floor and the back of the van can be securely locked, but keeping all this safe but still powering your products. With the back doors closed, just give you a good sweep down of the back doors, and while we're working our way down, we've got the lock protector, a very, not common, but basically if Transits get broken into, what you could in theory do is cut through the metal panel to get into the lock mechanism. That protects the lock mechanism that's in behind there, and we've also got the high security door locks as well. Coming around the side, we're at the near side, offside now. We've got the 5-spoke Ford alloy wheels. We've got all-weather heavy duty tyres all round, great for winter coming in, and it's finished in the Ford factory red colour, which I think is Colorado red if I'm not mistaken. So here's a close-up of those tyres I was talking about. Plenty of tread, the nice chunky all-weather winter pattern there. Coming around the front, we've got the built-in spotlights underneath the front bumper, just there as you can see, and we've got the red colour coded grille that's part of a limited spec. We've got a heated front window screen, the heated front screen via the switches in the cabin, and we'll just jump in the cabin just now. Velour seating, which is certainly a luxury for a Transit van. Velour seating, double passenger seat there with the driver's armrest, and all correct, present, and certainly no burns or stains or marks at all. It's got a 240 volt inverter. There's your 3-pin socket down there. Now, this is where the fun begins. We've got cruise control via the steering wheel. We've got the leather finished steering wheel here. We've got automatic headlights, rain sensing wipers, electric mirrors on both sides, electric windows as you would probably expect. Coming round here, we've got the 6-speed box, air conditioning via the fan switch there. You push that in to activate the air conditioning. CD radio, as I'm sure you would expect, and we've got the passenger airbag. That's a very rare option on the Transits. This little module up here on a Transit van tells you that the van has got Bluetooth, and although you can't see it, there's actually the heated screen filament is built into that one screen there, so it does have the heated screen as well. We've also got the upgraded driver information system LCD screen here that is an optional extra, and we're here we've got the switches for the rear lights within the vehicle. So before you pull me up, the keen-eyed among you may have noticed the centre cap is missing from that wheel. That cap will be in here tomorrow morning, and by the time you view the van, the cap will be in place. So again, we've got heavy duty door locks here. So as I say, I don't recall ever in all the years of having a Transit with this level of spec and stock. It's got everything you could want for and more. We've got the sortable racking system, we've got the alloy wheels, we've got the optional rear bumper step with the reverse parking sensors, we've got the heavy duty door lock protection shields, we've got the heavy duty door locks themselves, we've got the full Hilti racking system with the flip down vise and all the various pull out compartments, we've got that roller bearing drawer around the other side, we've got the 5-spoke alloy wheels, cruise control, air conditioning, heated front screen, electric windows, electric mirrors, colour coded grille, front fog lights and Bluetooth, and no doubt there's another couple that I've forgotten. So no matter how much of a stickler you are for a high spec van, this one cannot fail to impress. Moreover, above all that is the condition of it really. It's clearly been well looked after. It's been a demo van for Hilti, as I said to you, so it's been a one driver van, and it certainly does smack of one that's been well cared for and very, very well looked after. Here we are with that side door closed. Paperwork wise, the bit you don't see, it's got a full service history that will of course pass to the new owner. Spare keys are with the vehicle as well. Handbooks there, jack tools are all there, it's still to go through the workshop. But ladies and gentlemen, that is an absolute stormer of a van. I'm aware this video has rambled on for a bit longer than normal, but I thought the van was worth every bit of it. So there we go, 2010 Transit 280 limited edition, the limited model, 115 horsepower with a 6-speed box, ex-Hilti, finished in Colorado red, every extra under the sun. As per company policy, I'll say the usual line I do in all the vans: everything that we sell is second hand. Everything that we sell is in a first life before it comes to us, and may have marks or imperfections commensurate with age, mileage and use, and in line with any other second hand item purchased. My name is Barry, thanks for watching, thanks for your time. That is a very, very special van, no doubt about it, and I hope to speak to you soon.